Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Rustam, and in today's video I would like to explain today's task. We need to go to module 2 unit 1 required and suggested reading. So here, as you can see, there are 4 readings given, but these 3 are suggested. We can skip them, but this has to be done. That is perception of students and teachers on semester system. It's a PDF document. When we click here, so it opens, and after reading this document, what we have to do, let me magnify this one. As you can see, it is a 16-page document, PDF document. It's a research paper. So after reading it, what we have to do, let me take you to the second task. And here, this was module 2 unit 1 required and suggested reading. So first you have to download the 16-page document and read it. And then here is the assignment. Okay, when you click here, and this is the assignment. Just a minute. When we click here, module 2 unit 1 assignment, so it mentions, wait a while, as you can see here. So this is the assignment. So what we have to do, after reading that article which is mentioned, as you can see again mentioned here, this is the article, 16-page article. After reading it, we have to reflect as a teachers. Number one, the author's arguments, what the author have in that article, and the common perceptions of students and teachers regarding semester system. What do teachers think about semester system, or what students think about semester systems? So definitely this argument must have been developed by these authors of the articles, this article, and we have to find that out. And then relevancy of scholarly writing to your teaching perspective. So these 3 things we have to keep in mind, and then we have to write a 1-page MS Word document. Okay, 250 words, double spaced with font size 12. So after writing this assignment on a Word page or 250 words, and what we have to do, we have to come back here. As you can see here, this is the button add submission. So you have to click here, add submission, and then this is the folder. Like, you can drag and drop files here to add them. So you can click here, and your file, right now I do not have a file, so you have to click here and then choose a file. Okay, if you have a file, you have to choose it. So as you can see on my desktop screen, I have many files, and I can select one file, then click on open, and then what happens, this file will be uploaded here, and I will upload this. I will click here, upload this file, and it will be uploaded. Okay, and then you can click on save changes or submit. Right now I haven't attempted this assignment, so I'm going back. So this assignment we have to submit by tomorrow morning. Okay, by 8 o'clock tomorrow, that is 9 June. So we still have a whole day at our disposal. So this was the assignment. Now let me take you back to other assignments. So now this is the discussion forum, your role in transitioning to semester system. So this we have to do today, that is 8th June, from 5 to 6 p.m. It is mandatory, and again we have to kind of, when we click here, let's say if I click here, I haven't yet attempted it because I have just come back from my college. So we can discussion forum, your role in transitioning to semester system. So I think I can't find the reply button yet, although I have posted myself some time back here. This is, I think this one is the yes, this one is the assignment discussion forum. So right now I think I can't find any link. Maybe it is fixed soon. So this we have to do. Okay, and time is till now. Time, I think, has been again extended. Due date for posting to this forum is Tuesday 8th June 11:59. Okay, so it means the time has been extended till night. So these are the two tasks. One task is that we have to submit an assignment whose deadline is tomorrow by 8 o'clock in the morning. And discussion forum, we can post a discussion up till 11:59 today. Thank you very much.